Last time, we split a fraction with two factors on the bottom. So what happens when there are three? Honestly, almost nothing changes. Three different factors downstairs means three pieces upstairs, one unknown constant sitting over each. The method doesn't get harder, it just gets one term longer. Here's the one we'll crack. Three factors on the bottom, x, then x minus 1, and 2x plus 1. So three unknowns to chase down. Same plan as before. Turn the whole thing into an identity, then pick clever values of x to pick them off. Let's go. Same opening move. Put one unknown over each factor, add the three back together over the common bottom, and, because the denominators match, the numerators must be equal. That hands us the identity we'll work with. 6x squared plus 5x minus 2 on the left, and on the right, each unknown multiplied by the other two factors. It looks bigger than before, but the trick that breaks it open is identical. Now the clever part, and with three terms, it's even better. Pick x equals 1. Look what happens. The a term and the c term both contain x minus 1, so they both collapse to 0 at the same moment. Two terms gone in a single move. The left side is 9, the right is 3b, so b is 3. Next, let x be 0. Same idea, just a mirror image. This time, it's the b and c terms that vanish. They each carry a factor of x, and x is now nothing. Only the a term survives. Minus 2 on the left, minus a on the right, so a is 2, just like that. 2 down and 1 to go. Last one, and it's the fiddly one. To knock out the other two, we need 2 times plus 1 to be 0, so time is minus 1/2. The a and b terms drop away, leaving just c. The left side takes a bit of care with the fractions. It comes out to minus 3. The right is 3/4 of c, so c is minus 4. All three found. So drop them all back in. A is 2, b is 3, c is minus 4, and that heavy three-factor fraction breaks cleanly into three simple ones. Notice the minus sign on the last piece. C came out negative, so that term is a subtraction. That's the full decomposition. So the recipe scales beautifully. 4 factors, 5 factors, it never gets cleverer, it just gets longer. But here's the one trap to watch for. If a factor is repeated, squared, say, this exact method breaks down. You can't just write the same bracket twice on top and hope. There simply isn't enough room for it to work. Fixing that takes a small twist. And that's exactly where we'll pick things up next time.